another video. I am making myself some breakfast. I made coffee already, and I am going to make, I saw Jaclyn Hill post this like breakfast the other day. It literally looks delicious. It is cottage cheese, avocado, eggs, honey. She does like a chili, spicy chili sauce on it, and then she puts a little salt in it. What else is in there? And I think that's it. She does green onions on it too, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna try and make that today. It is so good. It's on her Instagram. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And I love cottage cheese and I love hard-boiled eggs. So I had my water boiling to make it. I'm gonna make the eggs, and that's gonna be my breakfast today. I'm also gonna make protein muffins today, the chocolate chip flavor. We love the Kodiak brand, and we need some protein muffins for an easy breakfast, so I was gonna make that today. I also want to read some of my book, and what else was I gonna do today? I made a little list on my phone because I was like, I do not want to forget what I want to do today. I do have class tonight, so I'm gonna have to get ready for that later. But I just kind of want to have like a chill day, make a good breakfast, make some muffins, read my book. Oh, I got this new candle. Whoa. I got this new candle from Allswell. I love this candle brand. You get them at Walmart. Oh, my coffee's done. You get them at Walmart. They're so like aesthetic and cute. I love the packaging, and they're big. They're affordable. This is actually on Black Friday sale. So I got Embrace. It's vanilla, sugarcane, and almond. If you know me, you know that this is literally me in a candle. Almond and vanilla, sugarcane, sign me up. And I was trying to pick between a couple of them, but this one, it's so pretty, first of all. It's like a yellow tan, and it smells amazing, and they last forever. They're 2 wicks, which is nice. But I need to work with this brand eventually, because that would be like total dream, because they are amazing. But so I want to like that today, get a little ambiance going, because I just love a good book and a good candle. I think that's all. I've had kind of like a rough last few weeks, just like personally, that I just really want to have like a day where I like get a couple things done that I want to do, make a good breakfast for myself, got my workout in, which has been helping me a lot. I've been working out 4 times a week, and you guys, physically I feel awesome. I'm actually putting on muscle weight and all of that, so I just want to have a good day and hang out with the kids a little bit. Gotta do some school with them. But yeah, I'm gonna make my breakfast because I'm literally starving, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done making it. My coffee is ready, so I put a little bit of my Chobani sweet cream creamer in the bottom, and then I got more white chocolate syrup at TJ Maxx the other day. I have missed this. It's my favorite flavor, so we're just gonna put a little bit in there. Perfect. And then put some coffee in, obviously. This coffee is from Hawaii. My brother lives there, and it is so good. Otherwise, I do like Black Rifle. I love Black Rifle coffee. So I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. That is my timer for my eggs. So I'm gonna put those in an ice bath really quick and come to life with this coffee. Oh my god, that's perfect. Like hits your soul. Okay, I've got these in the ice bath. Like I said, you need cottage cheese. I'm a sriracha girly, so I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha on it because I don't have that chili powder that she uses. My avocado. I also have to move my dishwasher today. And then I'm gonna put a little Himalayan salt on my avocado because that's how I like it. And then, oh, honey. Need a little bit of honey on there too. So, and then these are the muffins. I think I should do this already, but such a good brand. Love them. So I'm gonna make these later too. go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for hanging out with me, and make sure you're subscribed, like, and comment. And I'll put my Instagram in the description if you want to follow me there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.